Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I post a video. Okay? For today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup using mostly products from Colourpop Cosmetics. I got some of their products earlier this year and I just found out like I've not reviewed it. So it will make sense to just do a full glam using most of the products I got. I have the eyeshadow. That's this eyeshadow. Yes, please. I have brushes, I have brow gel, I have concealer. So I think that's a lot of products to be reviewing. I have lipstick too, I have their lipstick too. I don't have a particular inspiration on what I want to create today, but I just know that everything that's going to be on my eye is going to be from their eyeshadow palette. So foundation time. Foundation is on now. It's time for me to highlight. I use Marykaytimewise foundation. I always use Marykaytimewise foundation because I don't have strength to start looking for another foundation that is just going to match without mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. So for now, anytime you see my video, just know that it's Marykaytimewise, except I say otherwise. So for concealer, I'm going to be mixing these two, medium 28 and dark 42, because I didn't get my shade, my exact shade for the Colourpop concealer. So mixing, I don't like. I mix a lot for people, but when it comes to myself, I don't like having to mix. See, if I blend this out, it's going to just be my shade, my foundation, or my foundation shade. So that's why I have to mix it with a lighter shade of concealer. Some people like to write and they're using concealer. So now this is medium. See how light this one is. This color is lighter than pure beige. I did a concealer review on my channel, so you can check that out if you want to buy Colourpop concealers and you're confused on like which shade to buy. So I'm turning my beauty blender because I don't want to use this side. If I use this side to blend upwards, then the concealer is going to go all over. But I just want it to blend out very well. So I'm using the part that has no concealer on it to blend it. I'm going to contour before blending out my under eye, and I'm using dark 50 to contour, Colourpop still. So I'm going to use a brush to blend out the contour. So I'm using my beauty blender for my nose. This Colourpop concealer dries really fast, but it blends out really well. Even when it feels like it's drying, it's still going to blend out. So far, you use like a good beauty blender, something that is really soft. If you don't use something that is soft, it might just suck out the concealer instead of blending it out. You get? So I'm going to go ahead and set this concealer with. I'm going to go ahead and set with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. That's like the only main setting powder that I've used. But I'm still going to get a translucent powder. A translucent setting powder for under my eye. When you put setting powder under your eye, you have to make sure that there's no line there, because if you set it with the line, then it's going to just stay there. Like the setting powder is not going to remove any line that is there. Setting powder is not going to help your life. Okay? So you have to make sure you blend it out before you put powder. If not, it's just going to set on top of the line, and the line will just be there forever and ever and ever. I see on top of my eye, and I have to blend this stuff out before putting powder. If not, it's just going to be like that. So right now I'm using Milani powder for my face. I went ahead to draw my eyebrow off camera like we always do to save time. I used David's Eyepencil, the cheapest eye pencil in the world. This eye pencil is 100 naira. That's less than $1. So I'm going to conceal my under eye. Colourpop has an angle brush. Colourpop has an angle brush, and that's what I'm going to use to, you know, line my under eye, because I've not done that. This angle brush is actually really nice and precise. Like, it makes the work easy. This is one eye done. It's now time for me to use the brow gel. The purpose of the brow gel is to hold the brows in place. It can also help to make the brows look more natural. Although the color I have is not like light enough to make my brows look very natural. It's a bit dark, so but I like the fact that I can hold my brows in place. That's why I'm using it. So this is Colourpop brow buzz gel in dark brown. These are my brows all done. Next up is the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm using is called Yes Please. Yes Please. Yes Please. I like the name. And it looks like this. It has like really neutral colors. So what I got in terms of brush is the eye brush set. So we have the fluffy brush, which I've already used. We also have the lid brush, what you used to put eyeshadow on your eyelid, although this looks short. It looks very short and fat. I'm also going to use another fluffy brush. This is not Colourpop, but because I just have one fluffy brush from Colourpop and that brush is going to be used to apply transition color, I cannot also use it to apply a dark color because it's going to like change the way everything is applying. So the first shade I'm going to take is this shade. That's what I'm going to use as my transition shade. Because I might be using their brown lipstick, I just want everything to be a bit neutral and not all out. This brush is very soft. Very soft and nice and fluffy. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade called French Kiss and I'm going to put that in my crease. So this time around, I'm just using it to make this side darker. It's been long I made use of brown, like I did like a brown eye look. And I think it's going to turn out nice. So I'm going to use that transition color to blend out the top. So now I'm going to use a concealer to cut my crease, and I'm also going to use that angle brush I used to, you know, for my eyebrow. That helps you know how far you can go when it comes to cutting your crease, like the whole raising of eyes kind of helps. I don't know why this brush is so fat and short, but I'm going to use it like that. The next color I'm going to take is Note to Self. And it's just like a very light, I don't know, light peachy brownie. I don't know, like. Okay, I didn't know that it was going to have pigment. I think it's this brush. This brush is nice. It's nice for eyeshadow application, although it's really big. So if you use an eyeshadow that has fallout, I'm sorry for you. So this is exactly how I wanted it to look. Like, I like the way it looks. This is exactly how I wanted it to look. I guess this brush did a good job. So now I'm just going to blend this other color into this one so that there's no obvious demarcation. It's time for eyeliner. Unfortunately, I don't have any eyeliner from Colourpop, so I'm going to use what I have. What I have is Flawless Ivy 2-in-1 waterproof Flawless Ivy eyeliner. I find that this kind of eyeliners are easy to use. Yeah, so recently I've been using this type. So that is the look. Let me go ahead and do this other eye. Yeah, I'm done with my eyes now. This whole makeup was beginning to look all bridal, so I decided to go with the flow. My lashes that I used are quite light. I believe that anybody that decides to use this kind of look for her wedding will most likely opt for a light looking eyelash, nothing too heavy. So I'm going to continue like that. For the rest of the makeup is going to be neutral, and then I'll still switch up on the lipsticks. Let me go ahead and do like all the other side, let me go ahead and do my contour, blush, highlight and stuff. Since we are doing Colourpop review, I'll come back for the lipstick because I don't have contour kit or anything that, or blush or highlight and stuff. So the next Colourpop product that I'm going to use is for my lips. I have 3 lip products from Colourpop, and I think I'm going to use 2 of them today, so I'm going to be right back. This is definitely a bridal look. Like, you can really pass for a bridal look. I can wear this for my wedding. I'm going to list all the products I used for like highlights, blush and stuff in the description box. I'm going to like put all those stuff. I'm going to put everything I use in the description box. So going over to my lips, I'm using Zaron Cosmetics to line my lips before I go in with my Colourpop lipstick. So now I have 2 lip colors to use. I'm going to start off with the light one just to finish off the whole bridal inspired stuff before I go over to the brown lip color, which is matte. I know matte is hard to clean, so I'm going to start with the other one. The first lip color I'm going to use is called Quickie. It's just a normal lipstick from Colourpop, and it looks like this. It's a nude shade, It's a nude shade, so that's what I'm going to use. My eye color and my lip color, they look very much alike. This is the look I'm going to create for my next bride. So this is good to go. I'm just going to top it up with lip gloss. This is the first lip look. So now I'm going to set my face using MAC Fix Plus. So this is the finished look with hairstyling and all of that. I don't have any earring that looks bridal, so I didn't bother using earring. See, if you know what my hair looks like behind there, I'm very terrible when it comes to packing hair, but I try. So this is the look with my hair all done. I thank God I had like this hair stuff. So yeah. So now it's time for me to switch up the lipstick to the brown color. I think this is better for this look, but let's just see how it's going to look with the brown lipstick. I'm so scared of brown most times. I just decided to try myself. I don't look like a bride anymore. I look like all those Halloween brides. Let's just go with a plain look for this color. Doesn't look so bridal. So that is the brown lipstick. This is Limbo Colourpop Ultra Matte Lipstick Limbo. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. Which look do you prefer? Do you prefer the nude glossy lip or the brown matte lip? Yeah, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.